Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will discuss about Java, the programming language. If you are beginner, Java can be much difficult for you, but if you have learned another languages like C, C++, or Python, Java can be much easier. In your beginners level, if you learn Java, then other languages, if you want to learn other languages, it can be much easier. And for Java, we have to uh, download JDK, Java Development Kit, and we need to have a IDE, Integrate Development Environment. We will download JDK from Oracle website, which is official website of Java, and IDE refers to the platform where we write the code of Java. And you can take VS Code, Sublime, Notepad, Notepad++, or other IDE. For download JDK, we will search Java download in our Chrome. Click on the first link from Oracle. We will download the long-term support version of Java. You can also download the latest version, but for long-term usage, you have to download long-term support version. I will download JDK 21. You can also download JDK 25, which is also a long-term support version. JDK 21. Here you have to select your system. I have Windows, so I will select Windows. And you have to install x64 installer. Here is .exe file. I have to click on that and it will download the file. It takes a few minutes to download the file, so you have to wait for that. Now you have to click on that file you have installed. So this will take you some few permissions. It will take few permissions from you and you have to say yes. And I have to click on next, and wait for some minutes. Okay, and I have to close it. If you want some tutorials or API documentation, you can click on next step. But I don't need this, so I am closing this and close. We have to set environment variables. For that, I have to open environment variables settings. For here, I have to set environment variables. Here I have to add environment variables. I have to add here new environment variable and click on OK. I already have environment variable of Java. If you click on new, here you have to add the variable name. For that you have to add Java, and as a variable value you have to add the path of bin folder. uh, suppose in most of the cases, the bin folder is always in C drive in program files. So you have to add here the path of bin folder. Here you have to add variable name is Java. And once you complete both of the field, you can click on the OK. Next time you have to also click on the OK. And here also click on the OK. And in this way you can complete the Java's JDK download settings. And now we want to learn the first code of Java, how to do the first code of Java. For that, open VS Code. Here is the screen of my VS Code, and I will create a file called demo.java. Already I have files in this folder. Now in each file of Java, there is .java extension. Uh, if you already learned some languages like C and C++, you had learned that every language has that signature, that dot extension that clarify the file, which type of file it is. And here, first you have to write public class. Here you should write exact the same as your file name. Here I have demo.java, so I have to write here demo. Next, I will write public static void main string array arguments, and in this brackets, okay, there are true brackets. Okay, here this is the basic syntax of Java. If you want to run your code, you have to write this code. The main method is entry point of execution of any program. So if you want to run or want output in every program, you have to write main method. Main method is starting point. Uh, for now, we don't need to learn all these keywords and all this stuff. We will discuss it later. And first, we will write hello world. So if you have learned C, then you know that in C, if we want to print something, we will write like printf, printf, and in brackets we will write something. But in Java, there is something different, which is we have to write system.out.println, and we can write hello world here. Okay, now save it and you can run this, and in your terminal you can see here hello world. Uh, I want to write my name also, so I am removing ln here, also here. You can see that hello and Anjali both are in the same frame, same line. So if we write ln, print ln, so ln refers to new line. If I write system.out.println hello world, and in next line I will write Anjali, then hello world and Anjali will be appear in different lines. And if I want to print both in the same line, I have to remove ln. Uh, in next session, we will discuss different types of variables, decision making statements, loops, and many more things. For this session, that's it. Thank you.